Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope that you guys are doing well. For this episode of a vlog, I wanted to showcase some images that I have shot with this beautiful camera, the Praktica PLC3 film camera. Overall, shooting with this camera was quite enjoyable. I did mention in my review that I felt quite conflicted with this camera because on one hand it was a bit difficult focusing indoors, and on the other hand I actually did enjoy shooting with it, and I was actually pleasantly surprised with some of the images that I got from this camera. I found the images to be very vibrant. I found them to be quite delightful. A lot of them were quite delightful to look at. The contrasts were on point. Some of the images were a bit blurry, which is really due to my difficulty focusing. So overall, I enjoyed shooting with this camera, and I would certainly go back to it. Hey, welcome back, and I hope that you guys enjoyed looking at those images. And here's to hoping that we get warmer weather soon. As you can see, there's still snow out in the backyard. Winter is refusing to go away. As a matter of fact, we're expecting another snowstorm today, and it's the middle of April. But this is Canada, and we tend to expect this sort of weather even in April and sometimes even in May. But I am hoping for warmer weather. I'm looking forward to going out to shoot some more with my cameras and to share them with you. So before I go, if you have not already subscribed, please do click the subscribe button. And if you did enjoy this episode of the vlog, please click the like button. Thank you so much, guys, and as always, stay safe.